An online news publication has obtained information purporting to illustrate how little income tax U.S. billionaires pay. The tax returns of some of the world's wealthiest people, including Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, and Warren Buffett, have been reviewed by ProPublica. According to the website, Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos paid no taxes in 2007 and 2011, and Tesla CEO Elon Musk paid no taxes in 2018. The leak was labeled illegal by a White House spokeswoman, and the FBI and tax officials are looking into it. ProPublica claimed it was analyzing a huge quantity of Internal Revenue Service data on billionaires' taxes and will reveal more information in the coming weeks. While we have not been able to verify the claims, the claimed leak comes at a time when there is increased discussion about the amount of tax paid by the wealthiest and growing inequality. According to ProPublica, the wealthiest 25% of Americans pay less in taxes, an average of 15.8% of adjusted gross income, than the majority of U.S. employees. ProPublica senior writer and editor Jesse Eisinger told The Today Show, "We were astounded to see that if you were a multi-billionaire, you could get taxed down to nothing. We were taken aback by the fact that we were paying no taxes. Ultra-wealthy individuals can circumvent the system in a completely legal manner. They have incredible capacity to locate deductions, credits, and exploit systemic flaws," he stated. As a result, though their wealth develops dramatically as a result of their ownership of company stock, it is not recorded as income. They also claim aggressive tax deductions, frequently because they have borrowed to fund their lifestyle, he added. He claims that billionaires in the United States acquire an asset, construct one, or inherit a fortune, and then borrow against it. They don't take any income because they don't realize any gains or sell any stock, which could be taxed. They then borrow money from a bank at a cheap interest rate, live off it, and deduct the interest expenditures from their income, he explained. Biden plans, using entirely legal tax tactics, many of the uber-rich are able to decrease their federal tax bills to zero or close to it, according to the website, even as their wealth has skyrocketed in recent years. The rich, like many ordinary Americans, can lower their income tax bills by making charitable contributions and withdrawing funds from investment income rather than wage income. According to ProPublica, the wealth of the 25 wealthiest Americans increased by $401 billion between 2014 and 2018, but they paid $13.6 billion in income tax during that time. President Joe Biden has promised to raise taxes on the wealthiest Americans as part of an effort to improve equity and create funds for his enormous infrastructure investment plan. He intends to boost the top tax rate, quadruple the tax on investment income for rich incomes, and modify inheritance tax. While some wealthy Americans, such as hedge fund managers, would pay extra taxes under the current Biden administration ideas, the great majority of the top 25 would see no change, ProPublica's study concluded. One of the identified billionaires, philanthropist George Soros, is likewise said to have paid very little tax. His staff did not respond to a request for comment from the media, but stated in a statement to ProPublica that Mr. Soros owed no taxes for certain years due to investment losses. He had long advocated for increasing taxes on America's wealthiest people, according to the statement.